So at this time, we will welcome to the podium the Director of the Health Department, Alisa Haushalter. Thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you, Mayor Harris. Today, I'm going to give just a few brief updates and highlight some things that we need to focus on moving forward. But today, we also have some special guests with us. We have some team members, and we want to make sure we have plenty of opportunity for them to be introduced. And then myself, Dr. Randolph, as well as the Mayor and David Sweat will be here for questions. So some brief data updates. We know as of this morning we have 27,697 cases. That's an increase of only 110 cases since yesterday. We do have, unfortunately, 384 deaths. Some things that I want to point out that are critical because we are at a pivotal time, much like we were in the early part of July. We saw significant decreases in our reproductive rate as well as our positivity rate after we implemented mandatory masking and the closure of limited service restaurants. However, we have seen in the past week to 2 weeks that our reproductive rate is slowly going back up and our positivity rate is staying about the same. So I want to really highlight the importance of all of us continuing to do what we can individually and collectively to reduce transmission in our community. And one of the things I want to highlight, and this was demonstrated through the mayor's point, all of his points around the things that we can do that are very creative, whether it's the virtual academy, the Senior Tech Connect, or even the beautiful comeback program. There are ways that we can continue to move forward and use our collective creative power and brain power to do the things that we need to, but also to reduce transmission. But there are some basics that we've talked about from the very beginning that I think it's important to highlight today.